Hola! Have you ever been to Valencia? Or are you planning to go there? Well, in any case, you should definitely try this drink. It's really delicious, it's refreshing, it's really easy to make, it's lactose-free, it's vegan. It's the traditional Valencia tiger nut milk, Horchata. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description below. These are tiger nuts. They're very dry, so it's really important that you soak them for 24 hours. Change the water every 8 hours and make sure the water is clean and cold also is advised. Now, once they're soaked and nice, we're gonna add a little bit of our liter of water that we're setting aside. We're gonna use a blender and we're gonna try to have a puree-like consistency, really thin. You're after this paste, it needs to look like this. Very, very thin. For a final squeeze later on. Now I'm gonna add a bit more water. And I'm gonna give it a gentle whisk. Now once again I add water until I finish my liter. And I give it a final whisk. Now we let it rest a little bit, and I'm going to get this fabric as a sieve. Really carefully and with the help of an additional hand, we're gonna pour it into the sieve. And now it comes the perhaps most difficult part, if there's anything difficult in this recipe, that is squeezing it and squeezing it really tight till you get all the goodness out of here. Make sure you get every last drop like I'm doing here. Once it's been squeezed nice and tight, I discard the rest and I will add the sugar. Little by little and whisking it at the same time. Now this is pretty much ready, so I'm going to leave this rest in the fridge for approximately a couple of hours, 3 if you want, and now I serve it really chilled. I'm gonna give it a last stir with my straw, and let's take a sip and see how it turned out. It's gorgeous. Absolutely delicious. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.